Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one from the Julia Hair.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
So we are back with Julia Hair. I'm super excited about this one. This unit, okay, is a 5x5 body wave. Julia Hair so graciously, before we even get into her, sends such a cute little gift box and bag, okay, with, this is the wig band. I love these, okay. They send a wig cap. Already got one on, but thanks, because we always need those. They got a cute little Tiffany blue box, which is super cute, with a little necklace in it, which is really cute. And some lashes. Okay, all in this cute little bag. So let's get into this unit. How have you guys been? What have you been up to? What wigs have you been wearing? I need to know. Like, let me know what's up with the what's up. So I am coming through. Ooh, I'm already into this. Ooh, she's nasty. Oh my gosh, she's thick. Let me tell you something. You ever seen a wagon? And by wagon, I mean a wagon that she dragging. Is you picking up what I'm putting down? And you see, and that thing look like it got some weight on it. It's like, wah, wah, wah. Every time she walk by, this is this. I don't even know. I don't even know. So this is beautiful. She is 28 inches of love, sex, and magic. Okay, this is a 5x5 lace closure. Okay, she has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever, as well as the lace in the back as well, if you want to throw her up in a pony or whatever the case may be. I already like the way the lace looks tinted already. Now let's talk price. I know y'all about to air me out because we done had a conversation about this. However, quality. This is quality. Okay, are y'all picking her up? Mother is fire. Like, I'm already kind of like, so I like to cut my lace ahead of time. It's just a thing. I don't know what it is. It's a thing. I don't get it right when I'm cutting it on my head, but when I do it off my head, it's perfect. Okay, so I'm just taking off the lace and getting her together, and then we're gonna see what's up with the what's up. This gotta be an easy one though, right? So let me just throw her on and see what she's working with. I just want to tighten this up. This looks like a super big hair friendly unit, and I'm not ready for that either with my itty bitty peanut sized head. Good night. Look at that lace, guys. Nothing done to it. Can you see that? Look how beautiful that is. Wow, Julia Hair. So let me tell y'all something. I had on some little raggedy t-shirt, and I was going to film in that or whatever the case may be, because I ain't feel like it. I wanted to give you. But then I thought, this lady is 400. Excuse me, I said this lady, this one up on my head, she is going for $427. If you don't get dressed and give mother the respect she deserves, throw your bubbies up. Do something. Get yourself together. That's the conversation I had with myself. So that's what I'm doing right now. Getting myself together. This unit, y'all know I love to feel like Ananda. Y'all, her and I are really cousins. It's not up for debate. Let me tell y'all something. It's really not much of anything to do to this unit. I'm not even gonna like curl it, because why? She's fire. She's fire. I didn't even really want to do that, but just so you guys get a real look at what this looks like. This hair is stunning, and she's so thick. Like, so thick. So what I'm going to do though is this. Okay, because I really want to showcase this lace, because it's absolutely stunning. So what I'm doing is taking my straightening comb. I always call this my flat iron, but my straightening comb, and I'm just swooping this up. Okay, so we can get a real good look at the lace. Just a really good look at the lace. So it is the day I'm filming this. It's August 8th. I don't know why I'm telling y'all this. I never tell y'all the date that I'm actually filming, because then you will be alarmed by when I film this content and when I put it out. But the day I'm filming this is August 8th, okay? And this is like, you know, Lion's Gate. You're supposed to be super intentional about manifesting certain things or whatever the case may be. So what are you guys manifesting? What is it that you are attracting to your life? You know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to be super intentional about asking for things that will lead me to the financial freedom that I desire. You know what I mean? I really, really am. And I'm trying to get into a space where I'm like trying to put that out into the universe and be a really good spectacle of that and be deserving of it. Because sometimes, you know, we think we are in a space to receive and we are not. And that's what this whole moment in time is really trying to get us to slow down and figure out what does what we love and want actually look like. So I'm going to do a test first with my Gots to Be Glued, because I want to see if I just spray, do I need to go in and fill this in, or is this lace stunning enough? Which she really is. I believe this is like an HD lace. Let me check. It is. It's an HD lace, and you can tell. And she's thick. She's 180% density. And let me tell you something. I feel every percentage. I feel every percentage over 150. Like, when it be 150, I'll be like, oh, okay, I get it. What y'all think? I think we might be able to. We're going to add a little bit of color, not a lot. This is just beautiful. Just cut off a little bit more lace. It's already pre-plucked, and for this just to be a 5x5, I'm really impressed by how this looks. I'm just going to spray it a bit. Lock in that color. Stunning. I am so impressed. Like, so impressed with this unit. She is not... Ooh, I have so much to say. I have so much. Arrogant Taste says don't fill the part in with powder because it makes it messy. But I prefer powder. But he is the expert. Okay? But I be thinking sometimes, like, doing your hair is just all about what makes you feel comfortable and how you do it. Like, it's always great to learn a new technique. But the reality is that, you know, I'm probably going to do it the way I want. If it's looking good, I'm going to keep doing it the way I'm doing it. Emphasis on if it's looking good. This is just silk body spray. Gladys over at This Is That Your Hair kind of put me on to this, and I just love the shine it gives all hair, especially if you're adding heat to it. Boom. And here I am giving Ananda circa 2001 spring break. And we are done. Done, 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 done. This hair is stunning. It did not tangle. It did not shed. She's very big hair friendly. I have her Wakanda Forever in the background. Look at the back. Bitch, she's giving. 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 Ooh, that made me dizzy. If you have not already, bust down, like this channel, subscribe to this channel, like this video, subscribe to this channel. I hope you guys are really as into this as I am. This came out wonderful. Super easy, but that's what happens when you spend a grip on your hair. all you got to do is throw mother on and go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. It was so good seeing you guys again. No, I didn't style her up because why? She's effortless. Effortless. And that's what she should be. A vibe. Literally. Oh, wait a minute. I know y'all thought I was finished, but I ain't. She ain't, okay? So I am coming through. This is 2 weeks later, okay? I wore this unit every single mammy tatum raggedy ass day, all right? And guess what? Guess what? I got this unit on right mammy tatum now, and guess what I'm doing? Editing this video. This hair is so mammy tatum fire. I really did not. I had to come back and show you guys what she looked like all curled up. When I tell you, I'm almost ready to get rid of every other wig in my stash. And when I mean I have a stash, I mean I got a stash to the ceiling. Julia Hare absolutely positively came on through with this one. She is stunning. It almost hurts my feelings. So I wanted to make sure y'all got a taste too. Okay, so I'm coming back with this hair all curled up. I wanted to kind of give you guys a look. This is the Julia Hare unit, and I'm obsessed. I have worn this wig every single day. Every day for at least 2 weeks. So when I filmed it, and showed you guys in its natural state, I've curled her up. I have not washed her a bit. I'm about to throw stuff. Okay, obsessed. Obsessed. I'm on my way out, and this is my go-to unit. She's super easy to just throw on and go. Okay, look at that. Super bomb. Again, it's just this like 5x5 4x4 lace right here, and honestly that's all you need. You don't need anything else. I'm super into this. I'm providing Kenya more realness today. Okay, I'm gonna have to come up with a Real Housewives tagline. I'm tired of living this life like this. Okay, so if you have not already, bust down, get into this. Let me know what you guys think, even with this little 1 week update, the way that I gave it to you, or a 2 week update. Bust down, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.